showing how to change or add Freon for the air compressor or the AC. There's gas in there? That means there's a leak? It means I don't got a leak.
The drain.
The drain? Yeah. Changing the Freon for a 2004 Toyota Highlander. You know, the AC stopped kind of being so cool. So, you know, that's a change of movement we gotta do. So we finna get right. Doing these how-to videos though, you heard? These joints
Right,
actually.
we was looking at them yesterday.
Yeah, joints are actually starting. I'm starting to. So what's that? Like the connector towards the AC right there? Yeah. Oh no, this. Oh, I see what you do.
Yeah, it is.
See if it's burning. Oh, hot!
Wow.
Put your light on. See. She just start taking it. You see that bubbling in there?
Yep.
That's it going into the system. And watch your gauge, it should go down.
Yeah, cause just blowing out warm air and that right just for a second, real quick. Came up warm, but that think it's going out cold again.
Taking it.
It's taking it.
See it bubbling in there? Look.
The blue. Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Still got a lot of pressure in the system.
So what's that mean when there's a lot of pressure?
Could be a clog in the system somewhere.
A clog?
Let's see, it could be a low charge. Let's see if it goes down with the can.
Oh, so when that's supposed to go down.
This. We got a little more in here. The pressure should go down to like between 30 and 40.
And the water goes down too?
Yeah, you see no more in there?
Yeah.
Took everything.
Blowing on warm air. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see now.
That's how it was thrown out before?
Just now it was a little warmer than this.
Feel her side, because sometimes when you got dual climate control, sometimes it'll be different.
Yeah, just now. Let me see. It feels like it's getting cooler.
Hit the gas.
Let me see.
Like 3,000 RPM. 3,000.
What's that? 3? Oh my bad.
To 3, yeah.
If it don't get cooler, like cool, did it go down to 30, 40?
Like 47, 46, 47. So you might need another can.
So was that like 47?
Pretty close to spin the block. That should get nice and cool.
Yeah. And that right there is how you change the Freon. Add Freon to your vehicle, whether it be the Highlander, Toyota, or other vehicles, pretty much the same stuff. But this was done on a 2004 Toyota Highlander specifically. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts and opinions on this video specifically.